Hello everyone. In today's video we will analyze and see how the air conditioning compressor works. Here, in order to disassemble it, you need to make several cuts. So the first thing, you need to divide from the compressor to the evaporator or the common receiver. I already sawed it off here in advance. Here, then we'll cut it up too and see what's inside it. And so then we cut the tires in a circle and separate the lid in this way. Here we see the wires. We connect them. That's the cover. We need to make another cut in this area. There are rivets that hold the whole structure inside. According to them, we just make one cut in a circle and then another longitudinal one. We wedge it with a screwdriver, remove the case. Now it is possible to separate the stator. Just remove it from the rotor, make another cut at the very bottom, but before all the procedures, you need to make a hole in the bottom and drain all the oil. There are about 250 milliliters of oil in the compressor. We make a hole, drain it beforehand. We make this cut and remove the compressor itself. That's what he looks like. This is our suction line. Here is this injection line. Now we will unscrew these 5 bolts and see what's inside here. With the help of the head, we unscrew these 5 bolts by 7. We look at the compressor device. Remove the lid. So, we have a rotary type compressor here. It works as follows. There are 2 cameras, one camera and the second. This is our suction chamber, this is the injection chamber. The plate sort of separates them. Transformation of the rotor. It's from this position that the cycle begins, as it were. And now our camera is being sucked in, it is gradually increasing, thereby sucking in Freon here. Then it moves in a circle to the injection chamber. There it is in the depths of the tubes. It may not be very visible well, but they are there. So then it is the injection chamber gradually decreases. The next cycle has already started here. This is how this compressor works. As you can see, everything here is in oil, which contributes to an increase in compression, as it were. Sometimes the cause of the compressor failure may be a loose fit of this membrane, but the spring weakens and the membrane does not fit. Thus, the tightness of the entire device is violated. Or there is a banal jamming. This is when you start the compressor, it does not work, but as they say, it moves. Freon is fed here, passes through a rotary compressor, and through this hole it is pumped and passes through the hole, passing through the entire compressor, exits through this branch pipe. Now let's see what we have inside before the evaporator, or as it is also called, the receiver. That's what he looks like. That is, I sawed it with a view. By the way, there is oil in it too. It turns out there is a kind of separator in the depth. The Freon enters this tube, through the separator it sinks to the bottom of this tank. Climbs from here from the top. That is, if there is still a liquid fraction of freon left, it falls down, and gaseous freon is taken from the upper part. The compressor is made so that there is no hydraulic shock. In this simple way, we build an air conditioner compressor. To whom this video was useful, we put a thumbs up, comment on this video. See you again, bye to everyone.